Hi, I am Bruno. I am based in Shanghai and I am managing Onelan in Asia for the last 10 years. In this presentation, I will share with you some of the latest news regarding Onelan Digital Signage, and I will take this chance also to remind you some of the key features. I will, to do so, use my laptop and share with you the user interface in the CMS so you can see by yourself how easy it is to use those features. So now, how it works and how do you build your solution? The most simple solution is the standalone mode. Just one player or one display. You access directly the player via the network to create your content and to update it. You will do that for small projects with one or very few players. When you have several displays, possibly in several locations, you will differentiate the players that are playing the content facing the public and the back office, where the team will prepare, preview, adjust, update the content. Then you need a CMS, a content management solution. Onelan CMS can handle a wide range of displays. We can handle 4K players, driving 4K screens or 4K video walls. Can be HD displays with HD players, or with OPS players, the players that slot into OPS displays. We can also manage through our CMS SoC platforms such as Samsung SSP, Tizen, or LG WebOS. Brightsign players are in fact for us also SoC platform, very similar in a technology point of view. Last but not least, our Reserva meeting room signage displays are also able to display digital signage content because they are Linux-based, and they can connect to a CMS and collect content just like any other display and players. The CMS can be purchased as a hardware base. This is what we call PA, physical appliance. Or it can be purchased as well as a VMware solution. Then you will be able to install it on your VM server. It's interesting to know that both PA or VM, either way, will give you the chance to offer to your customer an on-premise solution for the CMS. And this is important because many large customers will require on-premise CMS for security and reliability reasons. Onelan players are Linux-based. Why? Well, I'm sure you've seen things like on the left side of the screen with displays in airport or somewhere else with white, black, blue screens with error message. This is Windows-based. Linux will never give you this kind of problem on the screens. Windows is always a lot more maintenance. This means also is a lot more downtime on the screen because you have to wait for the maintenance team to get and fix it. And when this is in an airport, that's not so straightforward. Linux has been recognized as a much more reliable and stable solution. Still, for an end user, don't be afraid with Linux. You will never have to face it. Whatever you are doing will be on your own computer, Windows or Macintosh. The Linux is just the platform behind. Let's have a look at how we will create content and organize it. First, you will group together the displays that have to show the same content. This is what we call channel. So you will create on your CMS as many channels as you need. Then for each display, you will set in the player which is the channel it has to subscribe from. Here, channel 23. In each channel, you will have different content that you want to show at different times. This is schedule. You will probably have a default schedule and some other schedules that will play at certain time by dates, day of the week, etc. In the schedule itself, You may have maybe only one content playing all the time, or you may also have differentiated content based on dates, days, hours. So in short, what we have seen so far is that you can group your players in channels, and you can organize the way the content is played by creating schedule entries. There is no limitation in the number of channels, schedules, layouts. So you have full flexibility on the way you want to organize your content. So now let's see how you organize and create the content itself. For this, you will get into your CMS and create the layout. A layout is a combination of zones. Each zone has its own playlist where you load and organize the media items the way you want to show them on the screen.